It's Hollywood Walk of Fame Day today. And we're very excited na maglakad-lakad dito around the area of Hollywood Boulevard. But when you visit this place, make sure nakatingin kayo sa baba at hindi sa taas. Sobrang haba pala nito. At nakakatuwa kasi nakita namin yung mga favorite stars namin. As in literal na stars ha, yung nandyan sa baba. $100.
Britney Spears. Okay, sino dyan?
Ryan Reynolds.
Ryan Reynolds. Lala lang.
Harry Potter.
Daniel
Padilla.
Hindi, Radcliffe yan, Radcliffe. Okay, sino naman yan?
Celine Dion.
Celine